Hi girlies, how have you been? I hope you've been well, I really do. Me, I've been good. Just getting things done and wrapping things up before the ending of the year. Today I'm coming on just to go through the completed and stopped challenges. So all the challenges that I've completed and all the challenges that I have stopped. Then I can know what I want to do from there on. First of all, I'll start with the completed challenges. If my memory serves me right, actually I've got a cheat sheet here, pen and a piece of paper and calculator just in case I need it. So the completed challenges are the Thank You Piggies by My Money Matters, lovely Esther. So that's done. And then the puzzle piece challenge, I think it's in here, the pink binder. That has been completed. That's the £40 one. I still have the £80 one and the £120 one that I'm keeping. And what else? So those are the two completed ones. The ones that I have stopped, let's have a look. The £5 challenge, I'm stopping. This one. Just want to get my finances in order and take it from there. And also the Save 2023 and the 52 weeks. Those have been stopped. Well, have been. I told you about helping out a mate of mine, so that's all good. So let me just check now. Thank You Piggies, the £5 challenge, the Save 2023, 52 weeks, and the puzzle pieces. Those are all that I have stopped. And let me just count them up. I'm chilling in my PJs. Lord have mercy, it feels so good. There they are, and it says Lazy Days on the front. But I've been working hard today, I really have, because I've been really working hard cleaning out my place. Cleaned all the window frames, the windows. I have shampooed the rug in the living room. So it's all go, go, go. So for the Save 2023 in 2023, I now have leftover 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then I have, well, I've got the calculator there, but okay, let's do the calculator. 70, and for the 52 weeks I've got £5 in there. Ooh, fancy. For the £5 challenge I have got 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. And for the puzzle piece I have got £40. And for the Thank You Piggies that's completed, I have got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85. So in total I've got £255, and what I would like to do is distribute it amongst the other savings challenges that I'm finishing. but I'm not going to do that today. The reason being, this app that I'm editing, the software that I'm editing my videos on, it's been giving me problems. My daughter did send me a link for a couple other ones that I'm going to check out, so I don't want the video to be too long, because it's really frustrating editing a 20-minute video for say an hour and then come to find out it's not working. So that's what that's how it is at the moment. So that's me updating you with the completed and the stopped ones. What I'd like to do is complete a few in the next video. But I'm really happy with the outcome of my savings challenges for this year. I've been very blessed and very grateful to know that I was able to save so much money. If I calculate it, I should really calculate it at a later stage and let you know, but I have been very, very sincerely grateful for all the money that I was able to save, and I've been able to do a good few things around the house and for myself with that money, so I am sincerely grateful. Listen, I hope you're all doing well, and I will be back shortly because I just want to wrap things up before the ending of the year, as I said. But take care of your good selves, keep budgeting, keep positive. Love you lots and see you back soon. Bye for now.